965 Indiana Corn Marketing Council, bringing you the Indy Airstrip Attack. Revolution.com, bringing us all the best. Shift Sector, what can I say? Only the best. Drag 965, that is your current half-mile world record holder. They're here. That car's parked over in the UGR area. Of course, we got Underground Racing UGR in the house. Pre-grid's open. Let's let these cars eat.
Roll out to the green area, and then you can just roll out next to each other, and that way, it's easy to kind of line you up and get going. The RFID tags that came with your packet, so you get door numbers on the side, and those white RFID tags that go on the bottom of your windshield on the outside. What those are is that's for our timing system. So ourselves at Shift Sector, our partners at Revolution.com.
We got KC Howeth piloting the Drag 965 current world record holder right now. We've alerted fire and safety just in case he decides to feel good and send it. You don't have a good vantage point. I'd get to one right now. UGR in the house. There he goes, he's off. It looks fast to me, shooting flames. What's that mile an hour gonna be? Wait for it. 259.96 miles an hour. Right there on the record. What do you think about that? Huh? How's my fans in the stands after that run? I know I'm a little shaken up. That was pretty good.